My next video is right now. Here right now. I am so on it. Let's go past this car in front of it. So yeah. I should be wiser, realize that. Oh my God. Got one. Yeah, that car. So, just telling you. Yeah, and it's raining also. It's out of here. As you can see. Yeah, you can't see it as well. But still. It's worth it. It's worthy. I'm so awesome. Yeah. Hasn't even been a minute. It's telling me to shut it off. I mean, come on. Hasn't even been a minute yet. Okay, now it has. A minute and 7 seconds. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, my phone goes really fast, so yeah. I want to go down that if I can. Well, I'm going to go down a private road. So yeah, right here. No! You're looking over here, by the way. At least. Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, well, these were my adventures. And now they're already ended. No design. But I still have more and more and more and more. Like, please don't be a minute. Please. I had a longer video last time. 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Well, almost. I've got to go. And I'm going to make a new video in just 1 minute. Now just stop. Soft kitty, warm kitty, little ball of fur. Happy kitty, sleepy kitty, purr,